Hi, everyone. Welcome to Time for Gardening, your go-to channel for all things green and sustainable. Today, we're diving into the ultimate home composting guide, Turn Waste into Garden Gold. If you're passionate about organic gardening, waste reduction, and DIY composting, this video is for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your composting tips. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Composting is a natural process of recycling organic materials, like kitchen scraps and yard waste, into nutrient-rich compost. Think of it as nature's way of creating fertilizer. By composting at home, you're not only reducing landfill waste, but also creating something beneficial for your garden. Home composting is an excellent way to reduce your carbon footprint while improving your garden's health. Did you know that organic waste makes up nearly 30% of what we throw away? Instead of sending it to a landfill, you can turn it into a valuable resource for your plants. Plus, it's a fun and rewarding DIY composting project. The first step to composting at home is choosing the right bin. You can buy a compost bin or make your own using a simple DIY method. Look for a spot with good drainage and partial shade. Make sure your bin has ventilation holes for airflow. This helps speed up decomposition and creates high-quality compost. Not everything can go into your compost bin. Stick to greens like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and coffee grounds, as well as browns like dry leaves, cardboard, and paper. Avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods. They attract pests and slow down the composting process. Following these composting guide tips will ensure success. Creating the perfect compost is all about balance. Alternate layers of greens and browns to maintain the right carbon-to-nitrogen ratio. Too many greens can make your compost soggy, while too many browns will slow decomposition. Aim for a 3-to-1 ratio of browns to greens to keep your DIY composting on track. Now that you've got your bin set up, maintenance is key. Turn the compost every 1 to 2 weeks to aerate it and speed up the process. Check the moisture level. It should feel like a damp sponge. If it's too dry, add water. If it's too wet, add more browns. Regular maintenance ensures a successful home composting experience. Don't worry if your compost has a bad smell or isn't breaking down properly. A foul smell usually means there's too much moisture or not enough browns. Slow decomposition could mean poor aeration or a lack of greens. Adjust as needed, and you'll be back on track with this composting guide. After about 2 to 6 months, your compost will transform into a dark, crumbly material with an earthy smell. That's when you know it's ready. Use it to enrich your garden beds, potted plants, or even as a lawn top dressing. Your plants will thrive with this garden gold from your DIY compost. Congratulations! You now have all the tools to start composting at home. It's a simple yet impactful way to reduce waste and boost your garden's health. If you found this composting guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Time for Gardening, and share your composting experiences in the comments below. Let's turn waste into garden gold together. Happy composting!